Hi. One of the strongest human instincts is a parent's desire to raise their children in a way that prepares them to live fulfilled, happy, productive lives. If you are a parent and don't strive to be the best mother or father you possibly can be, then let me tell you something is amiss. Some of you are probably thinking most of us have to work very hard to provide for our family. We can't slog so hard and study parenting at the same time, right? Okay, let me make it simpler for you. Based on my learning and long parenting experience, here are some scientifically proven ways to set your kids up for success, both personally and professionally. And this isn't just for parents, but anyone who is in charge of children will benefit. Number one, move to the best neighborhood you can afford. This one of the best moves parents can make for their children, and that is moving to a neighborhood or a school district. Give them the opportunity to grow up with peers who value education, hard work, and achievements. You don't necessarily need a house in a wealthy neighborhood. Search for family friendly neighborhoods with a great school. Number two, become a happier and less stressed person yourself. There is no escaping leading by example for a parent. Research has proven people thrive when they are happy and less stressed. The same is true for parenting. Studies have established that the children don't fare well if their adults aren't taking care of themselves and their relationships. Look, emotions are contagious. If you are miserable and stressed, your children are going to catch those feelings like a cold. Number three, make them do chores. Whereas mowing the lawn, cleaning the car, washing dishes, or folding laundry, make your child help around home. It teaches your child the value of hard work and collaborating to get things done. Most importantly, it teaches them responsibility. Number four, make your kids read daily and learn math at early age. Well, don't be offended, but I believe not encouraging your children to read non-fiction daily is failing your kids. Besides, encouraging your children to read, teach them math skills starting young. Research has clearly established that the single most important factor in predicting later academic achievement is that children begin school with a mastery of early math and literacy concepts. Number five, set high expectations. Parents who see their children live into their full potential seem to manage their child toward that goal irrespective of their income and other assets. Number six, praise them correctly. You must know that talents can be developed over time and skills learned with sufficient effort. This applies to how you praise your kids. When they earn a high score on a science test or win a football trophy, praise them for their hard work and effort instead of telling them they're smart or talented. Although we mean to compliment our children, praising them for innate qualities encourages a fixed mindset that can undermine their confidence when they try and don't succeed at first. On the other hand, if you praise your children for effort, that encourages a growth mindset that tells them that they have to work hard. They can't take success for granted, that they can fail, but they must work hard to succeed again. So we don't want our kids to feel privileged. We want our kids to be confident in their ability to learn and solve problems. Number seven, create family rituals. Research has found that children with strong social skills in kindergarten will thrive as adults. One of the best and most enjoyable ways to encourage these social skills is with family rituals. These family rituals can be as simple as cooking meals together, family game night, evening walks, or more planned occasions like annual vacations. Consider weekly family meetings to review what you did and didn't do well in the past week and what you'll work on in the coming week. Number eight, teach them to be gritty. Psychology defines grit as passion and perseverance for especially long-term goals. So teach grit by trying to cultivate something which not only grabs their attention initially, but they become familiar with enough, knowledgeable enough, and they wake up the next day and the next day and the next year and they're still interested in this thing. After that, encourage your kids to keep practicing and connect a purpose to their hard work. And then help them build meaningful relationships. Having strong relationships is essential for children's growth and psychological well-being. Children who don't have meaningful relationships tend to perform poorly in school, are more likely to get in trouble with the law, and often develop psychiatric problems. Help your children foster healthy and strong relationships with the play dates and participation in activities they enjoy. Teach them how to manage their emotions and resolve conflicts by helping them develop their emotional intelligence. And then teach them healthy habits. Healthy habits are vital for success as adults and kids both. Set boundaries that encourage your kids to get plenty of sleep, eat healthily, and be active. For example, don't let them sit inside and play videos all day. Provide them with opportunities for outdoor play. Teach them the health benefits of taking care of themselves instead of focusing on their appearance. 11. Give them bias-proof names where possible. There's a wide range of research that has found that your name affects your success, especially in certain societies. Go for names that inspire a positive, neutral image. Also, people with names easy to pronounce tend to be better liked. If your name is common, you'll have a better chance of getting hired, believe me. And last, teach them the relationship between honest hard work and money. Encourage them to work to make money as a kid, even if it's just mowing lawns or babysitting. Teach them to save money, show them the right role models. So I wish you the best of luck in becoming the best parents on the block and in being a great positive influence on children around you. Thank you very much.